Hello everyone, this is Fraulein Jacob. Welcome to Easy Mathsy. Today we'll be learning about simplifying the fraction. Here we have mentioned a problem 8 by 4 of 10. What is this of in this fraction? Of means multiplication. So it simply states that it is 8 by 4 into 10. So 8 by 4 into 10. This is for the students who are still in the version of what is fraction or how to reduce the terms or how to simplify the fraction. People like us can directly divide and go ahead, but for the students this is the way in the simplest form. You have to multiply first the numerator with the next term. What is the numerator here? 8. 8 into 10 is 80. So we write 80. This is the numerator. What's in the denominator? 4. As we all know, fraction is a division. So we have to divide 80 divided by 4. So 80 by 4 and 4 2 or 4 20s is 80. So the answer is 20. Let's say we have half a dozen of banana. A dozen is how many numbers? A dozen is always standard 12. It's always 12. You should always. What's half of a dozen? So our question will be. So question is half a dozen banana. Now as I said, half. So this half is this 1 by 2. You all know half is represented as 1 by 2. Half a dozen banana. Half a dozen banana is nothing but we have half of 12. How did we get 12? 12 is nothing but dozen. A dozen is 12 in number. Now let's simplify. Half is nothing but half. Now we have half. We write the same thing. Of we replace it as into. That's the multiplication. Now 12. As we said earlier, 1 into 12. 1 into 12 is 12 and 2 remains the same in the denominator. Now we have to go ahead and divide. When we divide, how many times? 2 is 12, 2 6 are 12. So we get 0. So what's the quotient? The quotient is 6. So half a dozen of banana. Half a dozen is nothing but 6. Whenever you talk with your friends or with your parents, you need to include all this kind of mathematics like half a dozen banana, let's say half a dozen of bangles. All this includes 1 by 2 and half of a dozen is nothing but 6. So 1 dozen is 12 and half is 6. Let's take another problem. 3 by 4 of 20. 3 by 4 of, when I say 3 by 4 of 20, 3 by 4 into 20, let's multiply. 3 into 20 is nothing but 3 2s are 6 is 60. So 60 by 4. Let's divide. When you divide 60 by, you have to divide 4 1s are 4. We have 2 and we bring down 0. 4 5s are 20. So this is a 0. So the answer is 15. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.